Let's look at designing a course for LMS. We'll create topic folders and add lesson content with the additional features of a quiz and a forum. In MySchool, assessments are controlled on a subject level, and the lessons are known as courses. Students are included into the individual subject curriculum and are attached via their course enrollment. In the course system, this method controls assessments, attendance, and assignments. With MySchool LMS, you can create a path for your students and link with course diary features as reminders or prompts for past or future lessons. In this example, we have chosen to have topic folders based on a certain aspect of the LMS system. How to add content. The icons are distinctive and are associated with a content type. Let's start by adding a lesson content. This can be wide-ranging and be covered over a few weeks or even a year. The educator determines when it is published to prepare their student cohort. The content for this particular topic is an introduction to the icons and their functionality we find on the MySchool LMS. Educators use the description box and the rich text features to create engagement with the students. A mini web page with all the information the student needs. All is designed on how you wish to introduce information to your students. Once a path of content is created, educators introduce assessment steps to check the student's progress, using either quizzes or assignments. Both are trackable and can be included in a term average for assessment reports. The assignment average is also indicated to the guardians and students. Again, totally customizable to include everything or exclude key exam-based scores, for example. Educators can then create other topic folders and determine whether these should be unpublished until they are ready or allow students to explore all the content at once. This allows for a self-led progress inside the set curriculum. Once the scheme of work is set, educators track the progress with assignments. They're not only for homework, but also for in-class assessments as well. Create a generic achievement scale to show how the students understood the content in today's lesson. Use this to check if there are any that may need extra help to achieve your goals. Introducing a forum to the topic or the course in general helps to build communication and engagement outside of the classroom environment. You may also want to create mini project groups. This is easy with the LMS module. You can create assignments for your whole course cohort or just certain individuals. Students can give you their assignment topic and you create the groups and grade accordingly. Upon completion, the teacher is able to grade submissions and give individual feedback, which is vital for both the students and the guardians. All of this is in one place with the LMS module. The dynamic nature of the LMS module means that educators decide when the content becomes available and have the possibility to inform students and guardians when new content is published. The settings for assignments allows teachers to show their comment and grades, or just comments, or nothing. Your assignments don't always need to be numerically based either. The educator feels that a simple achievement scale would suffice, and you can add this to the assignment and grade appropriately. How well has your student done in the class? You can create and add as many scales as you need. MySchool LMS is an open scheme of work and easy to use. There is no set use case or stipulated course creation. It is all based on how your educators wish to create their content and present this to their students. Here in this example, we'll change from a set topic-based content order into a monthly content feed, using publishing dates to not overwhelm the students with too much content. It allows educators, with the drag and drop functionality, to change their course content during the year. If they didn't get a chance to deliver the content in this period, then no problem, reschedule for the next period. MySchool LMS replaces traditional course progress with an adaptability to suit your educator's needs. They're in control and enable students to interact with the content at the required pace. Easy to build and simple to control.